Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review on a Caro White lotion and a baby oil. You know, this lotion is one of the best lightening lotion in the system, okay? And it's mostly used by the people in Africa, all right? But I'm going to share with you how you can use these two products to glow your skin, to lighten your skin, and also to brighten your skin as well. But then, does Caro White lotion really safe for the skin? Does it really brighten the skin as expected? And does it really damage the skin when you use the lotion alone? In this video, I'm going to share with you the ingredient that is used to formulate this Caro White lotion. I'm going to share with you guys the reason why you should use this body lotion and the skin types that are supposed to use this body lotion. I'll share with you how you can use these two combo to glow your skin, to brighten your skin, and also to lighten your skin without any side effects. And I will go deep and share with you the side effects when you use this lotion alone. Lovers, watch this video till the end. I once did a video on this Caro White lotion alone, so you can check on my YouTube channel to watch the full video on it. But today I will be sharing with you this two combo, a baby oil and also a Caro White lotion, how you can mix these two products to brighten your skin and glow naturally without any side effect. You know, this lotion really whitens the skin, it's lightening the skin, it's brightening the skin, and it also brings out your natural glow. But if you don't know how to use this product, you end up damaging your skin. The ingredients that I use to formulate this lotion are a carrot oil, a mineral oil, a kojic acid, a stearic acid, fragrance, aqua, and hydroquine. Yes, it involves hydroquine. That is why it works so fast on the skin. And one thing about this lotion is that if you don't use it very well, you end up damaging the skin. You have to use it in such a way that you wouldn't have any side effect on the skin. Most people don't really know how to use this product, especially the lotion and then the cream as well. So I'll show you how you should use this two combo to brighten your skin. But then I want to share with you the reason why you should use a baby oil and a Caro White lotion on your skin. Why you should mix these two products together before using it on the skin. One, when you mix these two products and you use it on the skin perfectly or very well, it will brighten the skin for you. It will bring out your natural glow, and it will also make the skin very smooth and soft. It will lighten the skin for you. It will also whiten the skin for you when you use it consistently, and also it will nourish the skin for you, and it will make the skin very soft and smooth. Okay, baby oil contains vitamin E, and vitamin E is very good for the skin. This baby oil makes the skin very smooth, it makes the skin very soft, and it's not a strong oil, it's a very mild oil. Okay, it glows the skin, it nourishes the skin, and it moisturizes the skin as well. So this is how you are supposed to use these two products to glow the skin, to bring out your natural glow, to lighten the skin, and to also brighten the skin as well. We need to see how the texture looks like in the bottle. This is how it is, and like it smells some way. The scent is very weird. I don't really like the scent of this when using it alone. Okay, so this is how the texture is on my skin. I can feel some kind of smoothness on my skin, and it smells like carrot, but because of the hydroquine inside, you notice that the scent does not really match with a carrot. Okay, but it has really make my skin very smooth. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. This is how it is inside. Okay, so you have to get a container, okay, and pour some of this lotion inside. You don't have to pour the lotion, or you need to pour a bit of it. I just want to direct you or show you how you could use it with a baby oil to nourish your skin and to also glow your skin as well. So you just pour a bit inside a container like this. Then you open your baby oil, and the baby oil, make sure you get the original one. Make sure you get the correct one made with almond oil and also rose oil. Okay, so this is how this oil too looks like. Yeah, this is how it says, and it smells so nice. The fragrance is so nice, so nice. You can even use this oil alone on your body, and it is not advisable to use on the face because the face is very sensitive. Sometimes when you use the oil alone on the face, it might make the face very smooth and nice for you, especially those without sensitive face. But if you have a very sensitive face and you use the oil alone, it will irritate the face for you, or you end up having white dots on the face. Make sure you pour enough into it because the cream contains hydroquine. We need to pour like a bit of the oil on the cream. All right, I've poured the oil on the cream. I don't really have a spoon with me, so I'm going to use my pen to mix it for you. So you mix it very well. You mix it gently. Make sure you stir it very well for the oil to mix very well with the cream. Make sure the oil is a bit plenty than the cream to reduce the hydroquine, because the hydroquine in this cream might end up damaging the skin for you. And mostly you have to understand that you don't have to expose the body under the sun when you are using these two combination, okay? Because we want to brighten the skin, we want to lighten the skin, we want to glow the skin. And you know the weather here is very bad. So when you are using it, make sure you use it mostly at night, okay? Use it mostly at night. And if you use it mostly at night, it's going to work perfectly for you. So I am mixing the cream and then the oil together. It's going to take some time. So let me share with you the side effects of using the Caro White lotion alone. Because it contains hydroquine, when you use the lotion alone, you end up having severe dark knuckles. Yes, it will give you dark knuckles both on your feet, your elbow, and your fingers as well. If you are using a Caro White lotion, you add it with a baby oil, and when you are using it, you protect the skin from the sun. Another side effect too when you use the lotion alone is that it will give you stretch marks. In fact, a stubborn one, of course, because you've used the lotion directly on the skin without mixing it with anything. And you should also understand that it's not recommended for all skin type. Yes, so I don't know if you guys can see it well. So after mixing it with the oil, this is what I have gotten. Yes, so light. The scent now smells very nice. This is how it is. After mixing it with the oil, this is what I have gotten. So nice. And it smells very nice. The fragrance in it now is very nice. So after bathing and everything, you just have to massage the lotion on your skin very well. Don't just apply it, massage it on the skin, every aspect of your skin, and please use it mostly at night. If you have a very tough skin or you have a very hard skin, you have to exfoliate the skin first before you use it, okay? You don't just have to apply it when you have a very dry skin. And it's not recommended for sensitive skin people. It's not recommended for oily skin people. It's recommended for normal skin people, a combination skin people, and also a dry skin people as well. And if you are a dark skin person and you want to use these two combination, the Caro White lotion and a baby oil, you have to take your time before using it. You don't have to use a very strong shower gel or a very strong soap. You need to get a very mild soap and use it with these two combination, okay? Another side effect of using it alone is that it gives green veins. So please be critical careful when you are using the lotion alone. Okay, it's good for brightening the skin, it's good for glowing the skin, it's good for lightening the skin, and you have to mix it with the oil very well first thing before you apply it on the skin. Don't use Caro White lotion alone directly on the skin. You will destroy the skin. So if you don't want to have any skin problem like dark knuckles, like stretch marks, like grain veins, like dark spots, like white dots on your skin, make sure you grab a baby oil, the original one, and get your Caro White lotion. Mix them together before applying it on the skin. Don't just use Caro White lotion alone on the skin. It will destroy the skin for you. And also protect the skin from the sun when you are using it. And you have to use it only at night. After bathing with your soap, after bathing with your shower gel, just take your time, apply it, massage the two combination very well on your skin, and trust me, you are going to glow naturally. It's going to bring out your natural glow. I've seen people saying that when you use Caro White lotion, it will destroy your skin. Yes, when you use the lotion alone, it will destroy your skin, but when you mix it with a baby oil, trust me, you are going to achieve a very healthy skin tone. So beautiful people, if you have ever used these two combo, a baby oil and a Caro White lotion, you can leave a comment under this video. Okay, you can also share your experience with me. Okay, and if you want to ask questions or you want to do any inquiries, you can WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number. Okay, and please do remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be able to receive a notification from me. But then let me introduce you to Latini skincare product. This is a skincare channel where we formulate luxurious skincare products. We have a very good soap for dark skin people, for light skin people, and for people who want to be extra fairer. We also formulate products for people facing skin problems such as stretch marks, severe dark spot, acne, white dots on the skin, or maybe you have used a product that has damaged your skin. We have so many products that when you use on your skin, it's going to bring out your natural glow. So please, if you want to get in touch with us, you can search Latini skincare on Instagram. You can search Latini skincare on Facebook and TikTok. You can also WhatsApp us on 027 159 4053, and we also ship to all nationwide. So please, if you want to achieve a very healthy skin tone, you want to glow your skin, or you have any skin problem that you are battling with, that you have used so many products but none seems to work for you, please do not worry. We have the best skincare products that can help you treat those problems on your skin, especially if you have dark spots on your face or you have any facial problem. Do not worry. Just go on Instagram and search for Latini skincare, or just use the link in my bio, and trust me, we are going to help you out. We ship to all nationwide and we are always available. And try to get in touch with us, share your problems with us, and trust me, we are going to help you out. Thank you very much for watching, and I really appreciate you. Have a nice day and bye bye.